Hi, I'm Rosie. I want to tell you about all the amazing things at UWM. Being from Illinois, I do have proximity to Chicago, which is a very big, vibrant city, but Milwaukee offered the same things, the benefits of not only industry and community, but also offered a lot of fun. I feel like it's very friendly. Everyone's very friendly. It's like a big city where you have all the attractions, but you can actually meet people and recognize them. It was actually pretty cool to know that a lot of engineering students, or not even engineering students, just any student can intern at big Fortune 500 companies such as Rockwell or GE, and that was something that kind of made me really happy that I chose to come here. It has big city attractions, but it definitely has that small town feel in the sense that you aren't afraid of going out. Like, you're pretty much really comfortable going to do anything, and there's so many college-aged people or young professionals that are out and about. I honestly feel that UWM prepared me for anything that comes my way. So whether that's industry, whether that's academia, whether that's like entrepreneurship, I feel ready, and honestly I'm really excited. I have the skills, I have the knowledge, and I feel very competitive for the workforce.